Hello, welcome to Stackable, the all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with the WordPress block editor. In this video, we'll dive deep into the different image settings available on Stackable. Most Stackable blocks will include an image element where users could add their desired assets like the image block, feature block, and more. But apart from those blocks, there are other ways you could add images to a block. Here, the image was added as a background image for the header block. For this advanced text block, the image was added as a background for the container. There are so many ways for our users to customize each Stackable block with images. Adding an image as its element in the block. To add your asset in the image element, just hover over the image or image placeholder until the cursor changes into a green plus button. A modal will appear where you can upload media or select media you have previously uploaded in the media library. Simply click the Select Files button and select the image you want to use for the block, and it should appear on your page. Image styling options in the inspector. You can frame the image using different shapes, and you aren't limited to that as you can even flip the shape around if you'd like. There is a text box for alternative text in case your image fails to load, and for SEO purposes as well. Additionally, you can adjust the size of the image either through the image size drop-down menu, where we have preset sizes for you to choose from, or you can manually adjust it using the image width slider. Next, the border radius lets you add rounded corners for your image. And lastly, you can add shadows to your image using the slider or manually inputting the number in the text box. Adding an image as a block background. To add a background image for the block itself, just navigate to the inspector, click the Style tab, and scroll all the way down to the block background toggle. Just click on the image picker, and you'll be prompted to add a background image. To access the background image settings, just click on the pencil icon. Then, a modal will appear where you can adjust the image to your liking. We'll get into more detail on that later. Adding an image as a container background. Just navigate to the container settings in the Style tab. Click on the pencil icon and a modal will appear where you can add the background image. When you scroll down inside the modal, you will be able to access the advanced image settings, which we will tackle next. Advanced background image settings. The advanced image settings have 4 properties: image position, image repeat, image size, and image blend mode. These properties already have default settings selected. The image position property gives you more control on which part of the background image will be the focal point. The image repeat property will tile the image. This is perfect for if you select a pattern as your background. The image size property adjusts the size of the image. And lastly, the image blend mode sets how the image will blend into the background color. Get creative and use these settings to your advantage to make your blocks unique to your website's personality. Now you know the different ways you can customize image settings in a block, so go ahead and apply what you've learned here to your website. We can't wait to see your websites that are built with Stackable. Thanks for watching! Don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions you may have. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for more.